Hi guys, today we'll be unboxing a proof coin set from Indian government mint. This I ordered directly from Indian government mint, and you can also see Indian government mint Alipur, Kolkata 700053 as its pin code, and it also has a seal from the government mint. You can have a good look, and on the reverse side it has my address, so I'll just cover it and just show you. This comes with my address and Indian government mint Alipur, Kolkata, and the pin code. Now let's unbox this coin. Can you guess what proof coin this is? I've already added the thumbnail, so you must know. So this is proof coin set of commemorating G20 India 2023. India hosted G20 summit on 2023. It was also the president of the G20 summit. It took the leadership of the G20 countries for that particular year. You can see the box. This is a plastic box or a box. There also is a wooden box, but I ordered plastic box because of its looks. This looks extremely good in terms of my point of view. And you can see here G20 2023 India, Bharat, one earth, one family, one future, and the QR. We'll see the reverse side what it is. Manufactured by Indian government mint Kolkata, a unit of SPM CIL. This is the outside look of the box. Let me look on this. This looks like marble, guys. A beautiful look. It looks like marble. It is actually the squishy on the top and rigid on the sides. Sides rigid. It's tough here. It's tough here. It's tough here. But it is soft here. You can see the difference. Is soft here, and it's a beautiful look, a marble like finish. Do you like the look of this? This is something different from wooden one, so I went for this one, guys. So let me open this. First off, you get G20 manual. It's supposed to be here. And here is the coin. We'll keep this manual aside, and this has two denomination coins in it. One is 75 rupees, one is 100 rupees. You can see G20. This both has plastic cover wrapped, and inside it also is protected by a capsule issued by the government. Beautiful coin. 75 rupees and 100 rupees. G20. G20 Bharat 2023 India. One nation, one family, one earth, one family, one future. And there is it says manufactured by India government mint. Manufactured by Indian government mint. A unit of SP MCIL. So let's place this here. G20. These are the G20 countries, guys. Like for example, India of course is part of G20. Canada, Brazil, Argentina, UK, US, South Africa, Japan, etc. A beautiful coin, both denominations 75 and 100. The fun fact is both are of same weight and percentage of silver. So they have same percentage of silver, same weight, and but this denomination is different. 75 rupees and 100 rupees. So let's check this. It also has a QR code. It is all the description is given in Hindi and in English. An introduction to G20 commemorative coins. India assumed presidency of the Group of 20 or G20. Group of 20 or G20 on 1st December 2022 for a one-year term. During its G20 presidency, India will play a leading role in setting the global agenda and work towards achieving human-centric globalization. For India, G20 presidency also marks the beginning of Amrut Kal, the 25-year period beginning from the 75th anniversary of independence on 15th August 2022, leading up to the centenary of its independence, towards the futuristic, prosperous, inclusive and developed society. So this marks the Amrut Kal for the next 25 years. India has been independent from past 75 years. In the next 25 years, it's gonna be 100 years. So next 25 years, they're saying it as a Amrut Kal, and this sets the beginning for it. The G20 coins, about G20 coins, you can read about it. I'm not gonna go in depth about it. G20 logo and theme. India's G20 logo and theme. This is India's G20 logo too. And about G20 members. It's about G20 members. New Delhi Summit, G20. This is the composition of the coins. Denomination is 100 rupees and 75 rupees. Shape is circular, 44 mm in diameter, 200 serrations. Serrations is the sides. On the sides, security edge. It's like serrations like that. Serrated like here. There are 200 serrations here is what they mean. And the weight is 35 grams for both. Both the coins 75 and 100 are of 35 grams. A good box to present. And it's a 50% silver, 40% copper, 5% nickel and 5% zinc. Both are of same composition, same weight, but the denomination is 75 rupees and 100 rupees. And this is the reverse. So this is about the reverse side of the manual. It shows the website of the email address, phone number and location. You can have a look at this. So this here. What do you think about this concept? A beautiful concept commemorating G20 summit and the Amrut Kal for the next 25 years for India to become 100 years of independence. I actually like the look of the outer box, a beautiful one, and the logo is really good. It shows that it is happening in India. Logo.